In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Google site navigation bar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update the label that appears in your site's menu so your visitors see clear, accurate page names. Start by opening Google Sites in your web browser. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Look for the section that shows your work and open the area labeled Recent Sites. This is the quickest way to get back to a site you've worked on before. If you have multiple projects, scan the thumbnails and click the site you want to edit to open it in the editor. With your site open, move over to the right-hand sidebar and select the Pages tab. This panel lists every page in your site and mirrors what appears in the navigation bar, unless a page is hidden. Take a moment to identify the page whose label you want to change in the menu. Hover over that page name to reveal the More Options icon, the 3 vertical dots next to it. Click that icon to open the menu, then choose Properties. This opens a small panel with details about the selected page. In the Properties panel, place your cursor in the name field and type the new label you want visitors to see in the navigation bar. Keep it concise and descriptive. Short, scannable names make your menu easier to understand and look better on smaller screens. For example, prefer About over a long sentence. If you're matching a style guide, this is a good time to use consistent capitalization and avoid special characters that can wrap oddly in the menu. Once you're happy with the new name, click Done to save your changes. You should see the update reflected immediately in the site editor's navigation bar. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a second to refresh. That's normal while the editor updates the layout preview. A few quick tips as you review your navigation. Make sure each label is unique so visitors don't get confused. Avoid very long names that might truncate on mobile. And order your pages logically so the most important items are easy to spot. If a page doesn't show in the menu, it may be hidden from navigation. In that case, double-check the page's settings later to confirm its visibility. That's it. You've updated the navigation label for your Google site using the Pages panel and the Properties dialog. Thanks for watching, and enjoy keeping your site's menu clear and user-friendly.